In this video, I will show you how to fix the vibration not working issue on your Samsung Android phone. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner. This will take you directly into the settings menu where all adjustments can be made. Now, scroll down until you find an option labeled Sounds and Vibration. Once you've located it, go ahead and tap on it. First things first, make sure that Vibrate when ringing is toggled on. This ensures that your phone vibrates during incoming calls. Next, scroll down a bit further until you see Call Vibration. Tap on this option. Here, check if the call vibration intensity is set to your preference. You'll also want to select an appropriate call vibration pattern that suits your style. After adjusting these settings, go back by tapping the back arrow at the top left of your screen. Now let's move on to notification vibrations. Tap on Notification Vibration. Again, ensure that notification vibration intensity is adjusted according to your liking and confirm that a suitable notification vibration pattern is selected as well. Return once more by tapping back. Now look for System Vibration in the same menu. Make sure system vibration intensity meets your preferences here too. In addition, check under Vibration Feedback, enable all desired feedbacks such as touch interactions, dialing keypad responses, Samsung keyboard feedbacks while typing, charging alerts, etc. After setting those options correctly, navigate back again one last time. Now tap on Vibration Intensity. Here's where you can fine-tune vibration intensity for calls, notifications, systems, and even media if needed. Additionally, consider toggling on vibration sound for incoming calls for extra assurance that you'll feel those important alerts. Once all adjustments are complete, it's always a good practice to restart your device after making changes like these. So go ahead and restart now. Hopefully by now your problem has been resolved. However, if vibrations are still not working after following these steps, there might be an issue with the actual vibration motor inside your device itself. To test whether it's functioning properly, open up your phone app and dial in this code exactly *#0*#. Once entered correctly, tap on Vibration. If everything is working fine, the device should vibrate. But if it doesn't, it indicates that there may be hardware issues requiring professional assistance or repairs. Also note, if this code doesn't work initially due to any autoblocker features enabled, try disabling them temporarily before attempting again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.